Mozambique is on fire. This is due to disputed elections. Libombo border posts between South Africa and Mozambique has been temporarily closed as we speak for the safety of South Africans. President Idi Mnangagwa, who is the current SADC chairman, is set to hold an extraordinary summit in Harare. While it is unclear whether Mozambique will be on the agenda, it can't be ignored definitely. This is according to Sophie Mkwena, who is the political reporter for SABC. The story of undisputed elections continues in SADC. If it's not Zimbabwe, it's Malawi. If it's not Malawi, it's in Mozambique. This is not a good thing, especially in Africa. However, there is going to be a table or a battle of the liberation movements and the new liberal parties that have taken over some of the nations that are surrounding SADC. The parties which were never part of the liberation, like PDP. The question now is, will the new kids on the block who are pro-democratic win the debate or force Mozambique to the negotiating table with the opposition like they did the 2008 style with Zimbabwe? Or the brotherhood will continue, they will not call each other out? Zimbabwe, will they go against their friend Frelimo, since they are the chairperson, to negotiate a people-centered deal, since Mozambique is trying to deal with the insurgents that are in the northern region? These are the things that we are going to see in the next coming few days. But in the meantime, subscribe for more content like this.